Good morning again, guys. This is Merlina Dura. It's Friday time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is just what I wanted to show you this time. Okay, that pigeon are showing their they're just like a team flying and looking for something or what, or they're just happy because they look like they're playing on top of that beautiful house. For they're flying all together. They flock all together, and now they are on the roof. They're in the roof of the big house here. Mm. Oh, now they stop flying. Maybe they are looking for something to eat, because before last week I was walking in here. We have uh, water in here, water and some food, but now they are not putting it, so maybe they are just waiting or looking for the food. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell so that you're going to have the notification. I love you all, guys.